Hello everyone, and this is the love reading for the sign of Taurus from 9 to 15th of August. This may not resonate with everyone, but please take whatever resonates with you. The cross watchers can also take the story from it. And uh, please try to uh, take whatever resonates with you, because it may not resonate from point A to point B. In between also you can get the messages. So let's begin with the love reading. Now first of all, I'll take out the messages for Taurus, you and your person. So the love message for you and your person, for you is Taurus, I think this is for you and this is for your person. Let's see, Taurus. New beginning, a new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. And this is the love message of your partner. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. So this is the love message for both of you. Now let's see, Taurus. It says that you have a new beginning here. Let's see what is this new beginning here for you. A new adventure awaits for you. Alright, Taurus, now let's get to your reading. My love team, please give me the message for Taurus. Okay, so this is your recent past. Alright, this is the present moment. This is your near future. This is your challenge, Taurus. And this is your advice. At the bottom of the deck, you have 9 of Wands. Now, Taurus, there is a new beginning. It says in the recent past, you had a lot of competition, disagreement, self-sabotage, fighting with your partner, maybe. And there was a lot of unrest, so in the recent past, this is what you have had, a lot of conflict in the recent past in your love situation. Now in the present moment, there is no communication. There is no communication with your partner. It is blocked. Either you've blocked them on social media, or maybe you're not communicating with them. There is no texting, messages, or anything. And in the near future, you have the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse, which means that you have missed an opportunity regarding love, regarding some sort of fulfillment, could be financial also. This is your near future, and as a challenge, you need to heal. You need to heal here. There's a new beginning here, which means that there's lot of fight in the past, and you need to heal yourself. Lot of healing, lot of introspection, taking a break. You need to take a break, Taurus, in order to come back energized. You need to rest also. And your challenge is that you're thinking a lot about it in your head. You're a lot in your head. This Eight of Swords is a mental prison. So you're thinking a lot, overthinking maybe. So this is what I have for you, Taurus. Not a very great reading here. But now let's see, what does your partner cards say, my love team. What is the message of the Taurus's partner here? There doesn't seem to be any love here. There is no emotion. Cups are not there. That means emotions are not there. It's emotionless kind of relationship. Now let's see what you have. What is there in your person's reading? My love team, please give me the message of the person of the Taurus. What does the person of the Taurus has to say? Although they are saying that my love for you is deep as an ocean. So now let's see what we have for you. Okay, Taurus, your person, this is the recent past. You have the present moment here. You have the near future. Then you have the challenge here. And you have the advice here. Alright, so Taurus, look deep within. My love is for you is as deep as an ocean. In the near past, Page of Swords, somebody was keeping an eye on you, keeping a watch on you, and maybe they were researching something. They were trying to find out the truth. They were into some sort of research, some sort of detective work here. Finding some sort of information, digging information. And in the present moment you have the Hermit, so your person is thinking a lot. He's introspecting, he or she may be introspecting, trying to guide themselves through the way. And in the near future you have the Knight of Wands. They will be coming fast towards you maybe, and they will come into action because they are thinking a lot as to what happened, because there was a lot of fight and everything in your present moment. In your recent past you had a lot of conflict, disagreement with this person, so they are thinking a lot about how to resolve these issues. They might be coming to you fast. Now the challenge is again the Two of Swords here. So they are torn between two choices. They don't want to see the reality. They are not clear as to which way to go, two is a choices number, so they have to make a choice here in the near future. And the advice is Five of Cups, that they have to come out of the sadness. They are very sad, they are very dejected, they are not so hopeful, so they have to come out of the sadness. The advice is that they should come out of the sadness. They should see that there are two more cups behind. That means not everything is still lost. So I feel, Taurians, not a very great reading for you, but definitely you can pay heed to the advices here. And your advice is not to overthink, and their advice is not to be so dejected and so sad, although you people are not communicating with each other. So this is what I have for you, my Taurians. I hope you like the reading, and till then, thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.